Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today we're going to do a winter star experiment. So the materials are milk, food coloring, a container, and stars, and soap. So I'm just going to pour the milk in first. And then I'm going to put the food coloring. Here, and over here. Here, well, they're getting big, and over here. Fats and proteins are sensitive to changes in the surrounding solution, the milk. The secret of the bursting colors is the chemistry of that tiny drop of soap. The molecules of fat bend, roll, and twist in all directions as the soap molecules race around to join up with the fat molecules. This is so fun! Look at that! It's going around like that. Wow! Alright, I'm sending some love to you. See you in my next adventure. I like it. Stay safe and healthy. Merry